Hey everyone, it's Dark Knight Admin, and welcome to Intro to Sales Cloud Prep. Before we get started, just remember, in order to take the Sales Cloud exam, you do need the admin certification first. Quick review of the test: it's 60 questions, total of 65. 5 will be 9 scored. You have 105 minutes to take it. A passing score is at 68%. It's $200 to take it and $100 for the retake. So what's on the exam? The first section is sales practice. This is all about your KPIs, your business challenges, how to use high velocity sales, how to use Salesforce Inbox, Salesforce Maps, and Sales Cloud Einstein. This is just all the how do you use Sales Cloud. The next section is implementation strategies. This is where to give scenario, determine how to facilitate and suggest consulting engagement plans, determine appropriate sales deployment considerations, and given a scenario, analyze the success of an implementation project. So this is all about how do you implement Sales Cloud. Next one is, do you know the product itself? So do you know about how to take a lead and move all the way to the quote, to close, to order? Or can you develop applications for third-party systems? Do you know how to use accounts and opportunity teams? Do you know how the shared invisibility works with that? Can you discuss capabilities and use cases of territory management? Can you articulate capabilities and use the design curation within opportunity products, price books, and orders? That tends to be a really big topic for a lot of people. Describe the implementation considerations for multi-currency and advanced currency management. We covered some of that on the admin test already, but this is just a little deeper dive into how all those tools work. Lead management is all about how to use campaigns, campaign members, and the lead object. How do we grow those leads into future candidates? Account and contact management. This is how do you use accounts and contacts? Can you set the relationships there? We're going to talk about accounts, person counts, contacts, and opportunities. Yes, person counts will be on the test. Be prepared for it. Opportunity management. Given a set of requirements, determine how to support different sales processes and for the opportunity. Some are the relationships between sales stage, forecast, and pipeline inspection. So you have to know what all those different things do, and you have to know how to use different sales processes in order to be successful on this section of the exam. How do you make your salespeople more productive and also integration? That's what this part of the test is all about. You want to discuss use cases and considerations for using email productive tools such as Salesforce Inbox or Outlook and Gmail integration. You also want to talk about other cool tools like Slack, Quip, Chatter, and mobile solutions. How do those make your sales team more productive? And how do you integrate those tools to make your sales team more productive? This section is all about how do you be a consultant. So we're going to talk about the project lifecycle. That's the big main focus on this section is the project lifecycle. And you also have to understand the different views and prioritizations from a customer. Just because you think it's best doesn't mean the customer thinks what's best for them. Next on the exam is sales metrics, reports, and dashboards. This is all about knowing your different candidates and knowing what they want to report on. Data management, just as it sounds, all about data management. How do you control your data? How do you manage your data? We're talking about transaction volumes, integration, moving data between Salesforce and other systems. Just in general, you need to know how to utilize your data and make it successful for your implementation. All right, thanks for coming, and I'll see you next time.